I'm back! Hello, fellow bombers. I miss everyone. Thank you for your continued support since day one. And if you haven't yet, click on the subscribe button below and the notification bell to see future episodes being uploaded. Today, I'd like to proudly share with you that I'm working with one of the best brands in the Philippines, Ginebra San Miguel, and I'll be creating a series of videos highlighting their spirits. As you can see, this is quite a big container. And as Antonov Vodka's tagline is, be bold, and also premium gin, premium moments, this mix is good to share with friends moving forward. Alright, let's stop with the introductions and let's get it. Let's go.
Welcome back to Bombing with A. My name's Angelo, and I've never been a bartender before, or have I ever worked in a bar. This is just a passion of trying to create new flavor profiles through mixes done over time.
So first, open your bottle of vodka and your gin. And let's be bold, like they said. Make sure you don't spill it right inside the container. Let that sit, and let's add our fruits. You can buy all of these fruits in any of your local groceries. And just put in, this is a combination of watermelon, mango, grapes, apple, and I believe peaches. So let that sit so that it infuses. And let's add 2 sachets of 4 Seasons. And I like to share with you while we're preparing this drink that we're also selling some cocktails available on our IG page and our Facebook page. Link on the description below. Available are 350 ml and 500 ml cocktails. I hope you like it. And then after the 4 Seasons, let's add our water. Just enough. And then last but not least, our blue curacao. See the change in color. And make sure that you add ice after it sits for like 5 to 10 minutes so that it infuses all of the taste. And there we have it, our new and improved jungle juice. Cheers, bottoms up.